If you're after a versatile all-wheel drive SUV that's still got that new car feel, take a look at this 2023 Subaru Forester Premium here at Bryan's Car Corner in Chickasha. It's sitting at right around 38,000 miles, finished in black, and powered by Subaru's dependable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Forester is built for confident driving in all kinds of Oklahoma weather, and this one's loaded with driver assist tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a pre-collision warning system, plus a power panoramic moonroof for some open-air feel. It's rated for 26 city and 33 highway miles per gallon. The price is $30,500 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $30,799, plus tax, tag, and title. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryanscarcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.